Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina. For those of you who don't know me, for those of you who know me, welcome back. Today's video, very highly requested video. I received lots and lots of requests. They asked me for my Hermes bag collection. I was thinking if I'm gonna make that kind of video, maybe take long video, and I don't want to do that. I decided to just share with you guys my black color Hermes bag collection. I have just few, and if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're following me for a while and you know my personality, I love color black for lots of different reasons. Actually, no reason. I love black in clothing, shoes, bag, and because first, I love black. Second, it's just easy to match with anything and good for any occasion, good for day or night. Make it easier and more polished. I don't know, in my opinion. Without any further ado, let's get started. This is my first Hermes bag, color black I got. I think almost, I'm not good with date. I think it was 5 years ago. Birkin size 25, Togo leather, and gold hardware. I love this bag. I was asking my SA for this size and this bag. That time was, I see now, you know, lots of YouTubers, they have this bag, but the time I got it, she was keep saying it's very hard to get it. Finally, my birthday, I remember she called me and she said she has the bag for me. I was so excited. I love this bag because very beautiful, I think, beautiful bag and great size, and I use it day and night very easily. I can switch from the daytime to evening, and the size, it's perfect for me. I can put anything I need, but if, for example, if I take this for when I travel, a little bit, I have to think about it. For example, if I have a sunglasses, I have to, you know, I cannot take the sunglasses case. If I need a makeup, I cannot take the makeup, you know, big makeup bag, because, and then I cannot fit everything here. Or if, for example, I have a scarf, I cannot fit it here. I can, but I don't want to put lots of stuff in it. It's coming out of here, and I don't like it. But it's good enough for me as far as the sizing. And in this video, I'm not going to go to all the details and reviews, but if you guys interested or you have any question, please put down below. Definitely I will get back to you. Just I want to just show you the bags I have. I'm going to bring it close to camera. I really love this bag, and as you can see, I have it for almost 5 years, or maybe even more than 5 years, I don't know, but look great. I really love this bag. The next one, my Kelly size 28. I love this bag. This one again, I have it, I think, for 4 or 5 years. Black Epsom leather and gold hardware, size 28. I love this bag. I was so excited when I got it, and usually I use this strap. I got it from Hermes. Make it a little bit more casual. It's very roomy, but some people, they saying it's too boxy. I don't mind it. It's boxy but very sturdy, and almost you're not worried about it. Some people, I listen to reviews, they say, oh, this is like a weapon, it's so big, so strong. But no, it's not that big. Actually, you can fit anything you need. Very good for travel, because you know, you has a shoulder strap. Has a lots of room here. One zipper pocket in the back and two small pocket in the front. I absolutely love this bag, but the thing is I feel very bad because I don't use it that much, especially because I work from home, and the time I go out, for two reasons I go. If I'm gonna go, for example, for party or evening or dinner or something, usually I take my small bags. If I go daytime, I take a bigger bag because, you know, if I'm doing some shopping or something. Anyway, for any reason, I don't know why, I don't use this bag that much. And I'm not a collector. I don't believe it just bags sitting in my shelf and gathering dust, but I feel guilty for it. But I don't use it that much, not just because of size, the perfect size. I think this is great for travel, for daytime, for nighttime, but I don't use it that much. It's still actually, now is showing, I realize it, still I have the plastic in the hardware because I didn't use it. Maybe I used this bag maybe 2 times. Anyway, but I don't know. And something good about Kelly, for some reason, it just Kelly a little bit more, in my opinion, it's more formal. And it doesn't matter size 25 or 28, you can use it daytime or you can use it nighttime. Because I have the 25. Actually, I prefer this one to my 25. I know lots of people, they love 25, and I love my 25. That is a special order I got. But this is a great size and I love it. And you know, especially it's not heavy because Epsom leather and a strap, shoulder strap, is not a heavy, plus you can put whatever you need it. I love, you see still I have the plastic in the even the feet. Anyway, this is my other bag. I remember when I unboxing this, I love this bag. I was just keep asking again from my saving. I got it. I was so excited. I said, I never get rid of this bag. I'm gonna pass it on to my daughter. My daughter called me a few minutes after she watched the video and said, Mom, don't forget, this is my bag. You said it. You have to give me this bag. Anyway, I love this bag, but as I said, I don't use it that much and I feel guilty. Okay, my Birkin size 30, color black, Epsom leather, and silver hardware. I love silver hardware, but I prefer gold. I got this bag again many years ago, 4 or 5 years ago, and I love this bag. I think great size. I use it not just daytime, sometimes nighttime, but because I have size 25, usually I don't use this for nighttime. But if you want to use it, it's not that huge big, because I have size Birkin size 35, that's big. But for size 30, I think it's not that bad. Plus, you can fit whatever you need it. I have so much stuff in it, I cannot show you inside. First, it's because of the color and the size. It's so easy. I just grab this bag and I use it most of the time. I can use it for work. I can use it for shopping. Usually everybody say Birkins are heavy. For me, it's not. Very easy. You can carry it this way. I wish this was gold, but I love this one too. As you can see, look great. Even I using it this many years and non-stop. I got this, I think, after my 25, before my Kelly 28. But I use this bag non-stop. You can fit everything. It has a front pocket and has one zipper in the back. And usually I use the organizer just to keep the shape. Otherwise, I'm not that organized. But I love this bag, and I highly recommend size 30 because it's very good size for, you know, any kind of age or any kind of a style. I think it's very easy. Maybe size 25, a little bit hard, because lots of people, they have a hard time even they put their hand in the handle, or maybe it's kind of small for daytime, but size 30 is perfect size. I love this bag. My last not least bag, my Kelly size mini. My mini Kelly. I love this bag, black, Epsom leather and gold hardware. I use this bag so much. I use it usually, most of the time I use this bag for evening, because the color and because of the shoulder strap make it so much easy. I'm hand-free, I can eat, I can dance, and the color is match with most of the style. If you wear black, if you wear red, if you wear white, anything you wear, you know, you can carry this bag. For travel, I think few times I use it for travel, but most of if I need this size bag, because I have another one, I use that one more than this one for travel. But even though I just use this one few times for travel, and I love it. I can fit my cards, my lipstick, some small mirror, even the key, but even phone. Usually I remove the phone case and then I fit it. Even with the phone case I can fit it in here, but I don't want to damage it. That's the reason usually I remove the phone case and then I fit it here. But as far as the glasses, no, usually I just I don't put glasses or anything because I cannot fit. And has one back pocket. I highly recommend this bag. I have it for many years, and I think I was so lucky to get this bag, because the time my SA called me, she told me about this. Even I wasn't thinking about about the mini bag. I didn't know even, because that time I remember in even YouTube, I usually watch all the bag reviews, or because I love bag. I'm not collector, but I love bag. Usually I watch, and that time nobody had it. And when she told me, I said, it's very small. I said, no, Sabrina, it's very good bag and very hard to get. After I got that, and then I saw, oh yes, lots of, I started lots of unboxing, and I saw lots of people, they have it, but I'm glad I got it that time. Very beautiful bag, very good for day, night, any age, any occasion. Yeah, I love this bag. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, I forgot. Usually after my videos, everybody telling me, why don't you share outfit of the day? Why don't you say what you're wearing? Okay, my outfit for today is this beautiful Chanel dress. I got actually two colors. I got the white and I got the black. This is last season. Don't ask me what number, what season. I think not last season, the season before that. And I thought it's something casual, comfortable, and carefree, long. I can wear it day or night, and I love it. And the good thing is cotton and hand wash. I love this. I don't need to take it to dry cleaning or something. Anyway, I have this, and actually I'm gonna go out. I didn't have any shoes, white or pink. I'm gonna pair it with one of my old Chanel shoes. I have these shoes forever. I love them. It's so comfortable and has a very beautiful CC in the back. Anyway, I'm gonna pair it with this dress for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day or night. Bye.